Very good afternoon, guys. I hope you all are fine. I am also fine here. Now, in a previously video, we were also discussing on the topic of how to be improved our skills. Okay, and as accountant, what skill you compulsory needed. Okay, because I'm learning this all accounting skill into the CA firms, and therefore I don't have much more time to discuss with you all the thing. But there's a one thing which I read it in a book is that to investing in yourself. What is the important point is that what is the main thing is that to be investing in yourself is mean what we do in a if we see our whole day what we do to just improving our self. Yes, we do anything else. Yes, but we are nothing doing anything else to be improving nothing we are doing. So I'm reading that book, and what I find is that just putting a 30 minute of our day, okay, just putting 30 minutes, not more than that, you can grow 50% to compare yourself in a year. Yes, so how we can do for a 30 minute? Firstly, as a human you have to be put effort on your health and your mind thought processing. Okay, how we can, if your health is very good, if your health is fine, okay, so you feel better, and when you feel better, what is happen, you think better. Okay, and when you think better, you have to come with the creative ideas. Okay, that is impossible, that is like we seems it is impossible for us to thinking creatively, but not, it seems to be hard. But when you making yourself away from the distracting thing, from the neglected thing, okay, and setting your area zone to be uh, to provide your day in that zone, okay, to spend your day in that full zone, you feel that you can be thinking like creatively, as a scientist think, as an innovator think, as a businessman think. Okay, why they are so initiative to thinking, to very innovative thinker? Just because they put it too many times to their health. Okay, they are very conscious with their health. Then the second thing which is I mention here is that reading books. Okay, if you feel better, okay, if your mind is try to be comes with new idea, firstly you have to be read the books. Okay, then you analyze what is happening then after and what is happening right now. Yes, so reading books, because when you read a lot of books, what you suspectly observe is that somewhere your thought process is changing. Okay, you your thinking power has different from the others when in the person who are available, you are with them. Okay, you are differentiate yourself with them. So this is the skills which is I mostly think that is very important. Yeah, but if we think better, okay, if our maintain health, if we reading books, it really works. Yes, it really works. If you're observing, guys, okay, just think about any high popular person, any popularity of the, irrespective of their money, irrespective of their fame, okay, irrespective of their work, they all are doing and constantly sorry, put effort to their readings, okay, to their health, and this is important to us also. Yes, so I'm observing that all, and when I start to reading books, I find yes, this is makes the improvement to yourself. From somewhere you think differentiate, okay, you think creative, you think how you can uh, just doing the thing which is really matters for you. Okay, instead of putting the too many hearts to your Instagram rolling and your scrolling, too many things. You just put the time to how to make yourself greater, okay, make yourself advance to others. So these are the factors to reading books, to putting the time, to investing a time in your books, okay, in your skills, okay. And it is not needed that you have to just learn up from the book, okay. I'm not saying that, because there's too many examples where the people are not much higher educated, but they are still popular, they still have the money, they still have the fame, because they not only learn from the book, they learn from the life which provide the lessons. And if you reading the book now, guys, what is happen, you from any point connect yourself that yeah, it is like that me, yeah, okay, that is happening the thing from myself. And then you know that how to I'm getting a from that uh, problem, how can I get rid of myself from that, okay. You find the very very creative ideas, and from short of the point your problem just going to be destroyed, because your thinking power is just going to be large, okay. The thing which we all know, that problem is not a matter, okay. To reacting on that problem, in a way, the way you reacting on that problems is a problem, is a main problem. So this book help to how to be you can think creative, and how to be you have to react in that problem. You don't make a noise, okay. You don't going to be anxious that how I can solve that problem. No, you just read it a lot, okay. And when you read, when you just putting a effort to be gaining too many new skills, then you find that okay, this is a problem, and I know how to be handle it, okay. I know how to be faced with it, because as a human there are so many problems are come to our days in a day, okay. Like if you are rich, if you are a poor, and if you are from a middle class family, you're facing the same problem, because not same problem, I mean to be, you all are facing the problems, okay. You all have going to be stressed, because some of going to be stressed because of money, some of going to be stressed because of the population, some is going to be stressed with the time, because they don't make a proper time management, they don't have that. So these all problems only have one solution. This is to reading the books, to maintain your health, and to improve your skill. Then you analyze you are much more better than others, and you have that capability to do something better, to do something more advanced, to get what you want. Yes. So that's the thing which I really wanted to be shared with you all, because I'm reading that book, and this book, guys, really it is much interesting. When you read, you notice too much point, you connect yourself with those problem, because from a human we are facing that problem in every day in our life, okay. To the problem of judging by others, to the problem of not having much more skills, to the problem of not have a advanced language knowledge, okay. So that is the problem, and to not have the knowledge of technology, advanced technology. So we're facing that all, but how, irrespective of that all problem, how you handle that, how to be you just going to be just interact with that problem, okay. How to be very conveniently, very easy way you just get rid of yourself from that problem. So that is the factor. And I know if you are watching my videos, I know sometimes my video are just going to be more minutes and large videos. It takes time, but I just mean to provide you and share my point with you all, is that just to be focused on yourself, because no one can help in your with you in your problems, only you can help yourself. Yes. So investing much and more time in yourself, instead of Instagram, instead of your annoying friends, okay, annoying relationships, too many things. So just that which I want to share in a one video, that is a one person one of my video watcher is, he is messaging that your video is just going to be too much large. So I'm saying, not meaning to be large, it means to be just providing myself, just I'm just go to be share the meaning of what I really want to say. Okay, so that's why I'm providing you too many examples. Okay, and I am constantly saying one and too many things because it's somewhere set to in your mind that you have to be done. Okay, instead of scrolling the mobile in a night and then just go to on bed, and then in morning you feel lazy, you feel that don't have much time, you are just going to be fast worker, you not give time to yourself, just like to giving the time like meditation, to be gravitation, to be write down, to enjoy the morning, because of we are not following the discipline, we are not too much disciplined. Okay, so be that one and become the rich because it's really wanted. Okay, and now I'm saying thanks a lot to watching my video. Okay, if you like my video, please provide the comment that's from any point. I know what where I'm making mistakes, because I know I'm making too many mistakes, and that's I accept it. But if you commenting me how to be improved, I really work on that. Okay, so till this time, bye bye and enjoy your day.